Manifestation was never supposed to make sense to you, bro. And the fact that you needed to is exactly why you don't have your shit right now. Your logical mind is built from past experiences, which means if you rely entirely on logic, you'll just keep recreating the same reality. If you're having trouble getting consistent results, I do one-on-one coachings and step-by-step walkthroughs. So if you want to go tap into that, link in description. Now, since logic is a third dimensional tool, logic was created to help you navigate this third dimension, bro. So since you're a 4D being having a 3D experience, can you please explain to me how the fuck that shit is logical? Where did you come from? Who are you? Why are you here in the first place? You cannot answer these questions, but you're just here, gang. If you flew from Mars and landed on planet Earth, you would look at everything that's happening in this motherfucker as weird as hell. It's not logical. It's only logical to you because it's normalized. So logic isn't something that's definitive truth in your reality. Logic is just proof you gave to yourself from past experiences, right? And based off of those past experiences, you have been moving a particular way, which amounted to your current circumstances right now. So you know for a fact, logic isn't something that you should be following 24/7, bro. You are just the observer of this entire reality. The observer, my nigga. Not the fucking character. Not this third dimensional avatar you have identified as your name. You, for example, you are the observer of whoever the fuck you're embodying right now, gang. And simply because you are the observer, you get to control what the fuck this character does. The thoughts you receive on a daily aren't yours. You can change them bitches. And because you can change your daily thoughts, that means you can experience a different reality at will, my nigga. Really understand that shit, gang. All manifestation is at its core is whatever you're dominantly aware of, bro, because you're an observer. You're God consciousness. You're not the physical circumstance or the person. So imagine you playing GTA right now, and instead of you holding the controller, you inside the character, my nigga, with the controller built into this bitch. And you feel every bullet, every car crash that character get into. This is what life is. You came on this bitch to build your own GTA character, my nigga. You came to this bitch to follow your own script. Not follow the script your parents or society gave you, nigga. Follow the script you gave to your fucking self. What's the point of living this life if you not gonna do the shit you wanna fucking do? What's the point of that, bro? You just wasting time on this bitch. So since you are a fourth dimensional being, your consciousness supersedes time and fucking space. Your consciousness supersedes this body, bro. There is multiple times where I've been asleep and I woke up and I seen myself third person looking down at myself sleep. Who was that? My nigga? Who is in the fucking bed if I can see myself sleep in the bed? That's not me. That's the character I'm observing, bro. And when you make that distinction, you can assume or affirm that this is what this character is going through. This is who I am as an identity. You only experience and manifest who you are at your deepest core, which is your self-image, identity, and self-concept. So if your thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions are not in alignment to what you want to experience, you will never experience that shit, bro. So stop trying to bring logic into the fucking equation. Logic is something that's within the third dimensional avatar that doesn't even know what the fuck is going on in the first place. You as the 4D awareness is driving the fucking boat, nigga. You have the controller in your fucking hand. Imagine I was playing GTA right now and I'm on the couch controlling the character and I'm like, damn, why this nigga not fucking turning left? I'm telling his ass to turn left and I'm not moving the fucking controller. I'm not moving the fucking joystick and I'm trying to tell his ass to move left, but I'm not moving the joystick. What's the point in complaining about that nigga not moving left when I'm not moving the fucking joystick? Nigga, your identity is the joystick, bro. Your identity is the fucking controller. Your perception is the fucking controller, my nigga. Change your perception, change your identity, and you will manifest what you want. Cause it's you. Your entire reality is you, nigga. It's a reflection of who you are at your deepest core, gang. It's your perceptions and beliefs. What are you dominantly aware of about your fucking reality, bro? Manifestation works energetically first and physically last, bro. Because we're energetic beings, my nigga. You as total consciousness and awareness is just frequency and vibrations and energy. You have manifested this avatar. You have manifested your circumstances as a reflection of you, which is God consciousness. You always superseded the proof. The mistake is you looking to reality, which is a third dimensional delayed ass reflection of who you are in the first place. So why would you look to the game? Why would you look to reality or the creation for validation of who you are, or the fact that what you're wanting to manifest is truly happening? My nigga, you already supposed to know that shit because you creating the fucking game. You creating the reality. That's like if I'm looking at, again, that's like if I'm playing GTA right fucking now, nigga, on the couch. I'm literally looking at the TV and I'm wondering why this nigga not turning left. I'm wondering why he not pulling his gun out from his inventory and shit. And I got the controller on the coffee table. What's the point of that, bro? I'm tweaking out at GTA for not moving the character when I had the controller in front of me in the first place. Nigga, pick up the controller and do your shit. My nigga, you are the key to this entire reality shit, bro. I promise you. No technique or anything has more power than you do because it's your reality, gang. If you were to die right now, would the people in your life still exist? No, they wouldn't, because it's your own mental projection, bro. It's your own reality. You get to control this shit however you want to, because this entire reality is built from your unique perspective. Only you have this fucking perspective. You can control your own perception within, my nigga. Really understand that shit, bro.